Good morning everyone. I welcome you in the series of digraph. Today in this series of digraph we will learn about CH digraph. We have already done digraph U and digraph sh. Today we will start with a new digraph, and that is CH, ch digraph. When the CH joins together, it gives ch sound. It gives ch sound. Okay. Now let us understand what is digraph. So digraph is a combination of two letters which make one sound. Whenever two letters joins together, it gives one sound, and that is a digraph. Okay, beta. So here you can see these are two consonants. C is a consonant and H is a consonant. When these two consonants joins together, it gives a sound of ch. किस चीज की sound देगा? च की sound. च. Okay, beta. Now let us read some of the words which begins with digraph ch. ch. Okay. So first is chair. Chair. Chips. Chips. You all love to eat chips, isn't it? Then chop. Chop. Chocolate. Chocolate. You all love to eat chocolates also, isn't it? Now let us read some of the words which ends with digraph ch. Bench. Bench. You all sit on a bench. Punch. Punch. To hit someone is punch. Peach. Peach. Peach is a fruit. Lunch. 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 So beta, you are now aware that today we are going to do ch sound. Okay beta. So you all know that what is a digraph? Digraph is combination of two letters which make one sound. So now let us read page number 22 of our English reader. Open your book at page number 22. Say ch as in chubby. So now we will read all the words one by one. Chat. Ch at. Chat. Chat means to talk. Ch-ap, chap, small boy. Ch-aze, chase. Chase means पीछा करना. Chain, chain. So beta, you can see this is a chain. Okay. Then next, chair, chair. Then chapati, chapati. Then these are some of the words which ends with ch. Touch, touch. Then lunch, lunch. Bunch, bunch means group of things. Group of flowers होते हैं, उसको bunch कहते हैं. Hunch, hunch means push someone. Munch, munch. Munch means to eat with a sound. Rich, rich, Amir. Ditch, ditch means to leave someone. Ditch. Pitch, this is a pitch of a cricket. Where you play cricket, that is called a pitch. Bitch, bitch. Bitch is a female dog. Teach, the teacher is teaching. Teach. Beach, beach. See beach, in the early lesson you all have read about beach. Speech, speech. Reach, reach. Preach, Preach means a spiritual or a religious lecture. Chalk. Chalk. Teacher writes with chalk on the board. Chest. Chest. Chest is a box and chest is also a body part. Check. Check. Cherry. Cherry. Cherry is a name of a fruit. Child. Child. Chick. Chick. This is a chick, baby of a hen. Chill. Chill. Very cold. Chin. Chin. Chin is again a body part. Okay बेटा, chin ठोडी जिसको कहते हैं. Cheek. Cheek. Cheek गाल. Cheese. Cheese. आप सबको चीज़ खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता होगा, है ना? So cheese. So बेटा, you have to read this page and beta, how many times? 2 times you have to read. And tomorrow we will do some work in the notebook. Today your work is that you will read it twice. This is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.